This 2021 Grand Design Imagine 3110BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, oven, awning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine 3110BH is 7,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.